Hello everybody, what's up? So I have to get ready for a wedding and I thought let me just get ready in front of my ring light. Alright, so let's talk about the things that have really caught my interest of late. I have been loving tarot. Like tarot card videos on the internet. They are so fun. And like people ask me, do you believe in these things? And the thing is like, I do. I believe in things in general. I kind of believe in everything. I believe in aliens, I believe in ghosts, I believe in spirits and celestial creatures. I believe in spirituality, I believe in religion, I believe in tarot, I believe in astrology, I believe in karma, I believe in dreams. I'm just a believer, I guess. I just believe in so yeah, I do believe in the wonderful world of tarot. I wasn't like seeking it out. I do watch a lot of astrology videos. So I watched astrology guy. He talks about like astrology and just zodiac predictions and stuff. So I do watch him. So I guess maybe that's why probably like YouTube suggested tarot videos to me and I started watching and they're just so interesting. Like, even if you don't believe in it, most of them are just so positive that they're just uplifting. You just start believing like, oh, everything's so cool and everything good is going to happen, and that's how you should feel. Like, yeah, I believe in law of attraction too. So yeah, I started watching and a few predictions did come true as well. As usual, all the products are going to be linked in the description section. Second thing I want to talk about is my website, cleverandclassy.com. I haven't talked about it in any of my videos like in detail. I did mention it once or twice that I have a website that I started last year. So basically it went up in August of last year. I just wanted a website because I started writing for somebody's blog and it just kind of made me realize that it's something that I enjoy and it's something that I can totally do. That's where the idea came from. So I was like looking for signs in that as well. Like signs that should I do this? Should I not do this? Because most of the time I do start something full on enthusiastic and then I just kind of get bored of it. Don't get bored easily, but because I always find something new to do, I guess. So I didn't want to, invest in a website, give it my time, money, everything, and then be like, oh, sorry, lost interest. So I really wanted to kind of go deep this time. And so yeah, I was looking for signs. I remember I was sitting in this room and I said to myself, okay, so if I should start this, give me a sign. And then I just happened to look at the time and it was 3:33. I don't know if you believe in these things as well, but these are called angel numbers. It's like your angels are trying to communicate with you. If you see repeat numbers like 1111, 444, 333, 222, 111, 1212, like there are times when I see these numbers so much and I'm like, okay, what are my angels trying to tell me? I looked it up on Google and it said that seeing 333, it's like your spirits and your angels are telling you have your angel support in whatever you want to do right now. I think that's the day when I went and I bought the domain. And then I started searching for a name, like what name do I want? And I wanted something to do with classy. And then I was on YouTube and I saw this channel name. It was Clever and Chic. And I was like, I liked the name and I decided, I admit I wasn't very original there. I just knew that I wanted something to do with classy. I didn't want it to be like a very specific name because I knew that I could, I wanted to write about a lot of different things because that's how I am. I'm interested in a lot of different things. I wanted it to be not that specific, but at the same time I also didn't want it to be my name because I just feel like my name is not that catchy. Like, what am I gonna name the website? asrainsalman.com? Like that just sounds funny to me even thinking about it. asrainsalman.com. I mean, in future, who knows that might happen. But I wanted my name to be like very catchy so people can remember it, and that's how I decided to name my website cleverandclassy.com. And I really do like the name. I'm glad I came up with it. I'm glad that YouTube channel popped up in my feed right after I saw the 333. I mean, I feel like everything just kind of aligned, and everyone was trying to tell me that I need to start my own website. Everybody was telling me go for it, you know, and go I did. Should probably like really focus on my makeup right now because I am going to a wedding. All my focus is on my website right now. And anyways, so yeah, that's how I came up with cleverandclassy.com. So now, next thing I wanted a niche. I wasn't sure what I wanted to write about. I wasn't sure what I wanted to talk about. I thought about writing about astrology. I thought about dedicating it just to Aquarius, but I was like, I don't want, like, I want more people to see my website. I want it to be a little more diverse and not just Aquarius. As much as I love my fellow Aquarians, I was, again, lying down. That's the best time for me to get ideas. You just kind of, I have like this, I'm lying down, my eyes closed, and suddenly I have a eureka moment. Yes, I got it. So that's what happened. I was lying down in the same room. I was like, I can talk about like stress, anxiety, how to deal with stress, how to cope with stress, different stress calming techniques. And every time you start a website, you do not need to be an expert at it, guys. Like, I am not an expert, but it's like you learn so much. So it should definitely be something that you are interested in yourself, just so you're interested in learning more about that. So that's when I decided that, okay, I'm gonna keep this my niche. And that's what I started doing. I started writing about stress techniques and how to cope with stress and how to sleep when you're stressed out and how to have peace of mind, how to be calm, cool, and collected. And originally that was my niche. And then I think after about 2 weeks or so, I wanted to write about skincare. And I started posting about, I love Dr. Dre and I watch a lot of her videos, and it just dawned on me like she doesn't have a website, and there are so many people who just prefer reading instead of, you know, watching a video. And I thought it would be so useful if everything that she talked about on her videos, like skincare stuff, could all be found in like one website. So then I posted 1 or 2 things about skincare, and oh my gosh, like my website suddenly blew up. Like people suddenly started coming into my website, and then when they started entering my website, they started reading more posts about peace of mind and stress relief stuff, and I was like, oh my gosh, like is this my niche? Because I do love writing about peace of mind stuff, and I love writing about skincare. Like, obviously, if I'm gonna put in time and effort into something, I would want people to read the things that I'm writing about. So then I started posting more about skincare, and now I think I have more posts about skincare than I do about stress relief. I do want to continue writing about both the things, and I will. Yeah, right now my website is just more skincare, and like if you've ever used any of my links to buy stuff, like thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It just means a lot to me because I never thought that I'll be able to make like $2 through my website, and I'm so happy that my content is actually useful. Speaking of which, I haven't written in like a week, so I need to write more. But every time I sit to write something, either I get distracted by the wonderful world of the tarot, or I get distracted by another great idea that just popped into my mind, or I get so much work that by the time I'm done with my work, I'm like too exhausted to look at the screen. So yeah, that's my little story about why I haven't posted all week. But yeah, that's gonna stop. I'm going to post, if not today, because I am going to the wedding, so who knows what frame of mind I'm in when I come back. But yeah, either today or tomorrow I'm gonna post. I have so many size sample makeup products that I think I'll do a video just using my mini makeup Right, guys, so the thing is, like, my dilemma with my website is I do enjoy writing about peace of mind, and I also love writing about skincare, but I get most of my traffic because of the skincare content, and I'm like, should I just stick to skincare or should I write about both things? Like, I do feel very strongly about both the things because I love me some skincare and I love me some peace of mind. So I think that I'm just gonna continue writing about both. That's how I am working my website right now. I will link my website in the description section so you can check it out. Like, I have one skincare section and I have one peace of mind section, and it would mean a lot to me if you can go check it out and just give me some feedback. I do have a shop with like some of the best skincare stuff that I have used and that works for me. So if you are looking for skincare, you can go check that out as well. So I just wanted to sit and chat with you guys while getting ready, and I just thought, hey, I haven't talked about my website yet, so let's do that now. I just put on some earrings, just small little delicate ones, and I put on some bangles because I had some, so why not? If you guys are interested, all the products that I used in this are going to be linked in the description section so you can check it out. That's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!